Hey everyone, in this video I will be demonstrating my HTTP request in Google Sheets automation workflow built in Anytime. This workflow automatically fetches data from an external public API which have a dummy data including the ID, name, username, email, address, phone, website and company details. It begins with an HTTP request node which sends a GET request to the API and retrieves structured JSON data. The item list node then splits the response into individual items, preparing each record for separate processing. Next, each item is appended as a new row in Google Sheets, creating a live and continuously updated database. Let's execute a workflow. It has retrieved the data from the API, split it, and the data has been successfully saved in a Google Sheets. This workflow is a simple yet powerful example of how Anytime can automate API data fetching and cloud-based storage, making it perfect for reports, dashboards, and live data tracking. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.